Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and this is my new Blue Eddy power station. Now, my Balder 330 had been doing pretty good, but I wanted to upgrade from a 330 watt to the 600 watt, as well as having a DC cigarette lighter input that I can plug things into. So I upgraded to the Blue Eddy 600 watt. Let's take a look. And I've got Ninja supervising, of course. Open the box, and it's another box. Ninja's looking at our friends setting up camp that came back in. So it looks like I've got some instructions. Here is the Blue Eddy EB3A 600 watt. 220 volt plugs. I like that this one has the cover. There's where you would charge it with one of those cords into the wall. This is a DC output. Again, like that they have it covered. And a little light. That was the only negative on this, is that the light's on front. But what I love, and Jackery finally got around to doing this, it's got the wireless charging on the top and a folding handle. Pretty awesome. Well, today is like Christmas. Got some things that I ordered. That's the Holy Stone brushless foldable drone with GPS. Took it out of the box. There's its carrying case, and let's take a look. Inside the HS710 box, got two parts. This is a real nice carrying case too. Woo, look at that. Look at that. All right, let me unpack this. So, on the top of the controller is the phone holder. The two things on the top are the antennas. The two things on the bottom of the remote are like the handles. There's one battery. There's the charging cable and a screwdriver with 4 extra blades in the bag. And now I'm reading the 45 pages of instructions, and I'm going to charge the battery. Inside that small box, I got an extra battery, so I have 2. We'll see you at flight time. Again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.